Electric Auto Shop is a California company that publishes courses on the instruction of alternate fuel drivetrain technology. These courses include plug-in electric, hybrid, and compressed natural gas. Each turnkey course is structured to match one school semester.
It's important for students to learn the pros and cons of each kind of spade and connector, and also how to crimp and solder properly and how things should be crimped and soldered. So that's a real good learning tool there, and it's colorful and exciting, and kids kind of like it when they can turn the key on and see the relays actually function properly. We connect here. We have a DC motor in place in this particular vehicle. We have the ability to put different size motors in there.
Let's have power.
In this section, we'll review the S10 conversion kit front battery box frame controller frame assembly. The assembly consists of the front battery box frame and the controller frame, 2 units. The controller rear leg attachment points are going to utilize frame mount locations that originally held brake line clips, retaining clips. The frame is placed in position and located properly. We will install 2 3/8 bolts to the controller frame assembly to locate the unit properly. This session demonstrates assembly of the non-metallic control circuit enclosure box and the Curtis PB6 pot box, which is the potentiometer that acts as the throttle for the motor controller. The roamer arm that you're looking at here is an electronic digitizing arm, and it basically rotates in all 3 axes, X, Y, and Z, and very accurately documents what it measures. You can put different styluses in the tip and you can measure holes and layouts. This unit coming up is our CNC turning center, and this thing does automated turning. It's programmed in the office. This is an employee cutting some stock. And we use the turning center to machine our couplers, our motor couplers. So this is a drawing of our S10 coupler. So this is basically a turning lathe, but it's run by a computer control. This is a tooling stand with some of the tooling for the CNC machines. So we do drilling and reaming and cutting. These are S10 battery frames and battery boxes. So they're welded up. They haven't been powder coated yet, but they're being processed. Here's a operator that's finishing up one of our S10 adapter plates. He's installing the hardened steel dowel pins. So this adapter plate's actually been cast and then CNC machined, and we do the final fit ups with the pins, and it was being shipped out to a customer that day. And these are S10 motor couplers. Again, these were going to be shipped out that day. There's an adapter on the left, and the red ones are powder-coated adapters. And that was basically our finished stock getting ready to be shipped out.